Hi guys, how are you? I'm Dana. Welcome to my channel. So this is a kind of a different video. I really didn't have anything planned. And probably this will be a little bit after Sunday, because today is Saturday. Again, of course, me not planning out everything like I am supposed to be. But this is a lettering with me video. I have never done one of this, but I really love the ones that how to hand letter butts up. So I thought that I could just do that, because normally I always practice my lettering every single weekend and when I can in the weekdays. So yeah, I just wanted to show you some of that, if you don't mind. But yeah, so this week has been pretty hectic. I have been working much more hours than I'm supposed to. I have been doing a lot of stuff in bullet journaling amino, and I did join other aminos that I'm not really part of the staff, and I don't really want to be a part of the staff, but I'm really interested in posting some stuff. I entered a hamsters. Well, I used to be in hamsters, but I am now in rodents amino, and I have had a hamster and I kind of love them. But when she died, I was just really depressed, and I really just didn't want to buy another one, and I just throwed everything away. And I'm really thinking about having one now, but I want to move out and get my own place, because right now I am with roommates. So I just have my own room, and that's fine, but I think that I would really like to have a safe area for a hamster. And so yeah, I am doing a lot of exercises with this. In this sheet, I started writing random names, and then I did on the names of the bullet journaling amino staff. So anybody from there watching, then that's great. I think only Hedda actually watches me. Anyway, but there's a lot of exercises that I'm gonna be doing in the how to intro to hand lettering, or brush calligraphy, or brush lettering. I did do some lines in the paper, so I didn't go crooked, but I was too lazy right now, and I don't know. But yeah, all the supplies that I am using, I will link it below, as in every video, and all the music that you're hearing, with all my social media, like amino, like Instagram, Snapchat, and my blog that is pretty new. So I would really like if you would check it out, because I did work quite a bit of time for that. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I wanted to tell you. I have a little surprise, but I think I'm going to tell it to you in another video, because I really want you to just enjoy the music. And I don't know, maybe you're studying, or maybe practicing lettering calligraphy, or anything that you're doing, maybe studying, because it's pretty much exams near. Anything that you are doing, just enjoy this, and maybe Hopefully you're not really mad because this is not a bullet journal video, but I hope you enjoyed either way. But I'm just gonna shut up and leave you with the music, and I am just really glad that I could go through this week because it was pretty hard, and I was really stressed out, and this helped me a lot, being like more relaxed. And yeah, so I hope you're relaxed and I can just give you something good to start your week. I'm really scared about that. I just want to rest more. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really wish that you were having a great day wherever you are in the world, whatever you're going through. I hope you get through it and you feel great. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video and share your love for the stuff that I do. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye! to subscribe and click the notification bell to watch all the videos right when I post them. Bye!